How to remove card from Netflix. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can move a credit card from your Netflix account. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, there's no actual way of doing this through the Netflix app on your mobile device. So what I recommend is just head over to a web browser such as Chrome and navigate to netflix.com. When you're here, tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner. Then next tap on Account. And under Account, the first menu option is Membership and Billing. So if you just scroll down and tap on Manage Payment Info. So here's where you can manage your payment info, so you can edit your payment details, add a backup, or switch your preferred payment method. Now, if you want to remove your current card, you have to add another payment method first. So what you do is you tap on Add Payment Method, then go through Edit and add your new credit card details of how you want to pay for Netflix. Then save those details, and then when you come back to this screen, you'll be able to remove the previous card that you had listed on Netflix. And that's all it takes to remove your credit card from Netflix. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.